Nigeria's tele-density has crossed the 100% threshold, which indicates significant GSM penetration across all parts of the country. Thus, the need to pay closer attention to expanding the sector. Graduates in Oyo State yet to get their desired jobs or any other job placement now have an opportunity to make a living through a training program organized by the Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board.
That with the growth in the ICT sector, it also provides an opportunity for empowerment of youths, because if you have a significant growth, if you have a sector that is growing, then it means there's opportunity for employment, there's opportunity for development of all the inputs required to develop the sector. For the ICT sector, we're talking about software development, hardware development, installation of systems, and also the ability to assemble GSM phones.
Hands-on skills in bookkeeping, marketing, and business viability are included in the program. The chairman, House of Representatives Committee on Local Content, asks beneficiaries to see this as a life-changing opportunity.
We must take this as a great opportunity and, of course, make use of it, bearing in mind that there are so many people outside. They are paying for this type of a training. Anybody in any family who is trained like this is likely there's that very great opportunity for that person to be out of that vicious circle of poverty.
For those with little or no expertise on job opportunities, this 2-month program will enable them access funds from the federal government under the Empower program.
Well, I feel excited. So it was a great opportunity for me being here.
People need this kind of training in this time because there's no employment in Nigeria. But I'm one of the beneficiaries on this program. So I will use this program to serve myself as a self-employment business and establish myself.
The agency also notes that a mentorship program for the project is strong and viable and will ensure better monitoring to create a broader spectrum for young Nigerians to partake in the growth opportunities of the ICT sector.